Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos bread at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need masa harina, warm water, and a little salt. The quality of your masa harina is key, so choose a fresh brand. For a dozen delicious tortillas, about 2 cups of masa harina should be perfect. This simple combination forms the foundation of your homemade taco shells. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, combine the masa harina and salt. Slowly pour in the warm water, mixing with your hands until a soft, pliable dough comes together. It should feel like Play-Doh, not too sticky and not too crumbly. Knead it gently for about 2 minutes to ensure everything is well combined and smooth. This step is crucial for perfect tortillas. Time to form and cook our tortillas. Divide your dough into 12 equal balls, each about 1.5 inches in diameter. Place a dough ball between 2 pieces of plastic wrap and press it flat using a tortilla press. Cook each tortilla on a hot, ungreased griddle for about 1 minute per side. Look for light browning and a slight puffing, indicating they are ready. And there you have it, fresh, homemade taco bread. Serve these warm tortillas immediately with your favorite fillings, whether it's savory meats, fresh vegetables, or a zesty salsa. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight bag for up to 3 days. Reheat them gently on a griddle or in the microwave to bring back their delicious texture. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.